Now when it comes to add items to an existing block, now you can have option in the command line where you can define with a polygon or with a rectangle selection. So in this exercise, as you can see, I've got one table, as Caddie confirms, block reference 1. So I would like to add this PC as well as this chair. Now as you can see, those are individual components. Even if I go to my keyboard, those are single objects. So previously you had to indicate object by object. So what I'm going to do is now we're going to go into edit mode in the block. So I'm going to select the block that I want to add the content to, select the block, right click, and we go down to block, and I'm going to ask Caddie edit block. As soon as I click on the command, Caddie will create the content, and now I'm going to right click and I'm going to ask Caddie merge objects into block. So if I'm going to click on the command, Caddie will ask us indicate object to add. So I'm going to start my selection on the top left hand side. Now you can see in the command line, Caddie asks us indicate opposite corner of rectangle, I for inside polygon or C for crossing polygon. So I'm just going to remain with a rectangular selection. I'm going to select the object, I'm going to press E for end, and now I have to go out of edit mode. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to ask Caddie end edit block. So I'm going to click on the command, and as soon as I'm going to select my table, as you can see, now my keyboard, my PC, as well as my chair is added to my existing block.